Yeah, almost. Yeah, over 2 years, or almost 3 years. 6 months later, 3 years. 30 months. Nice fashion. Socks and sleeper. And then. Hey, wait, we'll go to the Hapjeong first.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we can see someone. Yeah, that don't match it.
What don't match?
Socks and slippers.
Many kids wear socks
Yeah.
or slipper. And
Rocking the new shirts. Thank you, Coach Wind. Thank you very much. 27. 27? Yes. Konnichiwa.
먼저 거기 앉았어? That's so light. I think it's so good. Light.
이번 정류장은 한산중학교 진성고등학교입니다. 다음 정류장은
You like the shirts?
Everybody look. I love it too. Night shift, the old one, just subscribed for 14 months. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. I love crap. I love crap. Let's go to new earring.
Ah, yeah.
2 new earring. They both are new.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just I feel it's for only one, but I feel kind of boring with only one. So we're both.
Two.
Yeah.
Okay, 2.
Two.
Holy crap. Safe zone. And then we have some food shopping, drink.
Yeah, maybe drink vodka.
Yeah. 형 6시쯤 갈까? 너무 일찍 가면 들고 다니겠다.
Go to Martin 6 or 7.
Okay, so let's go to Hongdae first.
Yeah, go first and then get some tripod.
Yeah. Let's find the tripod first. I need a thin tripod. The cheap one, alright? On the $5, cheap one.
Which one?
Cheap.
Tripod?
Yeah. Cheap tripod. Because I want to buy another one on the online.
Oh, actually, I think I know where's that small tripod we have. I think
Where is it?
it's in under your desk. There's some plastic box, and then I remember I put it
You have to say
Yeah, the new
earlier.
one.
You have to say earlier.
And the 3 months. Just noticed that.
Now I heard that it will rain a few hours later, soon. I hope it doesn't. It will not. I hope it won't. So how you gonna
How I got away.
not drunk tonight?
Not drunk.
2번 정류소는
Not drunk?
I got a schedule tomorrow night too, actually, with my friend.
교통역사서는 장애인, 고령자, 임산,
So not much drunk. Or oh, that's a good idea to buy. Oh, that sounds was right.
양보합시다. 고맙습니다.
I never succeed with the left hand. See,
Oh.
look. By the way,
750. How you doing?
how about the
Let's go.
how about buying hangover juice for everyone?
Hongsu. Will you sleep there?
Maybe not.
Yeah, maybe not, right?
Maybe not.
Yeah. Because yeah, we need a charger. Right? Chicken restaurant is still open.
Maybe we're gonna ride taxi at the midnight to back home.
Okay.
Let's see.
Da, 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 da. Wow, nice chicken smell, fried chicken smell.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, oh,
Man,
oh,
the smells so good.
yeah, oh. 그리고 파리바게트 있었나? 파리바게트.
6개월이면 엄청 싼 거 아니에요? 필라테스? 6개월은 7만 5천.
6 months, only $70.
Yeah, 6 months
On the
Pilates.
$70, $65 for 6
Are
months.
so cheap.
But we
Amateur?
move soon.
Yeah.
Pilates.
Oh, German
Oh,
ballet
fit
feet Pilates.
German style. Per month. It's for per month. That's not for 6 months.
과정이라는데 6 months라는데?
Every month $60. I don't know. Anyway,
Not exactly.
Pilates. German Pilates.
Oh, it's not F sound, but it's a
Pilates.
It's a
Yeah, P sound.
Pilates.
Okay, I didn't know it.
독산 스테이션 그
Yeah, Doksan Station. Doksan Station. Alright, Bonsai is going road trip.
So in South Korea.
Yeah.
Cool.
Road
So
trip.
she's living.
Yeah, road trip. Wow. Nice angle. 이 앵글은
Huh. It's nice.
Yeah, what a journey. Transferred.
Yeah, we should transfer on time.
Found. Do you use one card for all public transport to ask you? Yes. Yeah, bus and
All for one.
yeah, bus, taxi, and so we all 저 맞잖아.
Oh, safe. You're safe.
Shoot. Sliding doors.
Perfect timing.
Okay. We're transfer 3 stations later. Yeah, 3 stations.